One thing you might want to consider in your custody cases is whether or not we put some type of restriction for international travel, maybe only to countries that have the Hague Convention. And so Hague Convention is sort of like, this is this country, we're going to recognize your country's order and help you get the kid back. You go to countries that don't have that, you're kind of SOL if your spouse were to take your child there and not bring them back. So I've actually had that happen. It was a 3-year-old little boy and his dad took him to a country that does not participate in the Hague Convention. But it's very difficult to get your children back from countries that do not participate in the Hague Convention. It's a long process, but we ended up going to court and actually awarding her all of the assets in the community estate. And then he was like, oh, wait a minute. I want to participate. So he actually brought the kid back 6 months later. So we were very lucky to get the kid back because he wanted a fair deal of the community estate. So when you have those issues, you might have to dangle money or property, retirement, something over their head and say, hey, don't come, well, I'm going to get all of this. It's going to be 100% because you took the kid. Try what you can and hopefully it works. And it did in that case, but it's not a guarantee. So in your case, make sure you have something in there that says, hey, we are not going to allow either parent to have the child travel to a country that is not under the Hague Convention unless we agree. And if those are some issues you want to discuss, go to your family law attorney in your area and make sure you have that discussion with them.